Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been such a long wait, but I just had to get some traction in my life and really attack some goals because I've had an ongoing issue with procrastination, and I just really had some goals in my life that I really needed to tackle. And now that I got that out the way, I can come back to you guys bigger, better than ever, full force. But I'm back and I'm here. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before we get further into the video. Before you do anything else, please hit that notification bell below and subscribe, because you know I always come to you guys with useful information. So I know you guys didn't click on my video to hear me talk about my personal life, so let's just dive into the video. Have you ever wanted to know how to get your TRN, or wondered if you could even get it from overseas? And no, you do not have to be a Jamaican. I'm a Canadian and I have my TRN and my NIS, and I will show you how to do it. If that's something you're interested in, please stay tuned to this video. So without any further ado, I'm going to show you how to apply for your TRN from overseas and get everything mailed to you. And I haven't seen a lot of videos about this on YouTube, and a lot of the ones that are there are not step by step and they don't guide you through. Well, I got you. I'll guide you through the process, and trust me guys, it's quick and easy, and if I can do it, you can do it. So I will keep it short. I'm glad to be back. Things have just been so hard with school and mommy life. I had to set my priorities straight and make a decision to better my life. But I'm back and I'm ready to keep pumping out resourceful, informative videos again that hopefully you find helpful and resourceful. And yes, I'm moving away from just CP because I'm more than that, and I have a whole lot of knowledge that I want to share with you guys if you guys will allow it. And I find that a lot of my videos that talk about things outside of CP have some of the highest views, so you guys are interested in a lot of the things that I'm going through in my journey and other aspects. So I'm here to share that with you. And please, I know I've been terrible with uploading, but to those who have stayed subscribed from the very beginning, thank you guys. I appreciate you guys, and I just really know that it's hard to get your TRN, and sometimes when you're in Jamaica and you're on vacation and the systems are slow, it's a developing country, as I mentioned before, it can seem impossible. Well, you can do it from the comfort of your own home, easy, free, and it's pretty efficient, and they'll mail it directly to you. So no, you don't have to bother anyone to pick it up. I was on vacation to Jamaica recently, and I had an idea for a vlog. Anyone who's traveled to Jamaica or just visited or lives in Jamaica who's now overseas think that it's impossible to get a TRN from overseas shipped to you from Jamaica directly, and you can do it free of charge with little effort. I won't lie to you, it's a wait. Jamaica's a developing country, so there may be some delays, but it is possible, and where there's a will, there's a way, and I'm here to tell you how I did it. A TRN is basically the Jamaican equivalent of a SIN, and anyone who wants to do business in Jamaica or just pay bills or do anything to deal with government, to do something as simple as pay bills in Jamaica is impossible without a TRN. And it's good to have an ID, an extra night ID. For a lot of people, they don't want to travel with their passport or anything that they consider valuable, so this might be a tool if you travel to Jamaica frequently. And if you want to know how to do that, please please stay tuned. I'll be right back with details, instructions. Don't worry, I got you guys. I'm gonna walk you through the process, and you guys are gonna get your TRNs free of charge. And I hear a lot of people saying they will charge you for a service and help you get your TRN. No, don't fall for that scam. You can do it at home for free in less than a day. Disclaimer, I do not work for the Tax Administration of Jamaica, so this is just my personal experience and what I did. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. And again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
First, I'm going to need you guys to head over to jamaicatax.gov.jm. Once you're there, I'm going to need you guys to click the forms icon and scroll all the way down. Then I'm going to need you to click that tab below where it says TRN. And it's going to take you to a page with all the tax registration forms. I'm going to need you to click the first one. Immediately when you click on that tab, it will take you straight to the application where you can go ahead and print it and we can start the application process. Surprisingly, the form is very straightforward. Just simple information like name and address. Just fill it out and we'll go to the next step. So for the second part, it doesn't get much more complicated. They just ask you for simple information like email address, fax number, occupation. So you just continue to the next step. Just FYI, Jamaica Tax Office will not be contacting you. They're a developing country, so just please make sure you fill out this as neatly and as correctly as possible, just to ensure that there's no delays or any confusion and you do get your TRN. It says this on the form, but if you are sending in an ID that is not a passport or a non-Jamaican driver's license, you will have to also send in your birth certificate with any other IDs that are not the ones that I just listed. Also, all IDs sent in with this application must be notarized. Due to the lack of communication with Jamaica from overseas, I also sent it via Canada Post with tracking, but you can also use FedEx or UPS, because how will you know if it gets there if you don't track it? Because Jamaica will not call you. No, so this is not foreign. That's not how it works over there. Also, you guys have to specify how you would like your TRN sent to you on the form. I had a mix-up and I did not do that, and trust me, you don't want that headache because they do not answer the phones and it's just a real hassle to get in contact with them. So if you have someone that you can trust that can pick it up for you, just send them with a notarized letter authorizing them to do so, or specify on the form and in a letter that you include with the form that you would like it sent to your specific address and your temporary TRN sent to you through email, because they will send you a slip before you get the actual card with the TRN number on it. So that's pretty much it, guys. And again, this process does take long because Jamaica is a developing country, but I do give them credit for even allowing this service. It will take up to 1 to 3 months. You know I love dropping gems on you guys. So another tip is, if you go to your local overseas Jamaica Consulate website or location, I know they have one in the UK and they have one in Toronto. They should have one in the US and any major foreign country. They can assist you and even give you free notarizing services, so you can get those documents filled in correctly, and they can answer any questions you have with the TRN if you need additional help, because it's very hard, like I said, to get in contact with the TRN office directly in Jamaica. I will also drop a link below of everything I discussed in this video so you guys can get the resources you need to get your TRNs. Good luck, everybody. And if you like the content, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so I can keep cranking out amazing videos like this. I'll also leave my social medias in the description box, so if you guys have any questions, you can contact me directly. Thank you guys for watching till the end, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.